Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I'm excited to show you how I make my delicious pork roast. Here are the ingredients: apple cider vinegar, olive oil, garlic salt, lemon pepper, soy sauce, thyme, Italian seasoning, and ginger powder. 5 pounds of bone-in pork butt, bay leaves, garlic, butter, fresh lemon, green scallions. First, make several incisions in the pork and insert 1 clove of garlic into each hole. This will add flavor to the roast. In a baking container, place fresh garlic, and then slices of fresh lemons. And bay leaves. Green scallions. And 2 slices of peanut butter. Place the pork on top of the spices in the baking dish. Then pour a half cup of apple cider vinegar and a half cup of soy sauce over the pork. Sprinkle and rub the pork with garlic salt. And then add lemon pepper. Add thyme. Then Italian seasoning. Ginger powder. Then, rub with extra virgin olive oil. Add a half cup of water to the baking dish to keep the moisture and create extra sauce. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast the pork for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until it reaches the desired doneness. Once cooked, remove the pork from the oven and serve. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Check out all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.